Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Explained channel. Here I am going to discuss details of Golden Dome US missile defense system, and this is the upcoming missile defense system of the US. As the US is interested to integrate all the different air defense systems, missile defense systems, and forming a shield for all the incoming threats, and that is named a Golden Dome. And this is planned, and this is want to execute in the coming upcoming the time period. And how this planning is going on, what is the details of the Golden Dome, this missile defense system, I'm going to discuss here. Kindly subscribe Engineering Explain channel. If you are already subscribed, kindly share and comment. This is the how the integration will be taking place. The ground-based interceptors and short-range missile defense systems. Like this, the various missile defense systems are integrated, and those are networked through a satellites, and all together forms a shield over the particular the region. And after the formation of the shield, any incoming threats, that is from the launch, it will be detected and that will be destroyed or intercepted after the immediately after the launch, or it may be destroyed in the mid-air also. And that is the formation of the shield to particular airspace and forming the dome that is called as a Golden Dome. The further details I am going to discuss here. The Golden Dome will integrate with existing ground-based defense capabilities and is aimed at protecting the US from cruise missiles, ballistic missiles, hypersonic missiles, and drones, whether they are conventional or nuclear. Whatever it may be a nuclear threat or conventional normal missiles. Like that, whatever it may be, it will be intercepted at the launch or in the mid-air. What is the Golden Dome system? The Golden Dome will be ground and space-based missile shield system that will detect and track and stop missile at multiple stages of flight, potentially destroying them before takeoff or intercepting them in midair. Here, the whatever the shield formation is there, that shield forms will stops at different stages of the incoming threat. At the launch itself, at the launching, it will be detected through the radars and that will be destroyed at that point. If it is already launched by not detecting by the any of the radar, then at the multiple stages it will be stopped and intercepted and in the midair itself, and by that the formation of the shield will be taking place. Calling the new system very important for the success and even survival of the United States. Trump said that once fully constructed, it will be capable of intercepting missiles even if they are launched from other sides of the world. This you think that one, even though they are thinking of from the other side of the world, from the this earth, from the other that is in the space, from that also any that the missiles are launched, that also possible to intercept by using this Golden Dome. And even if they are launched from the space, okay, if they are launched from the space, then also those are intercepted. That like features, the whatever not from the on the world itself, from the different parts of the world, whatever the aerial attacks are there, not from that, the even outside the world any aerial attacks are there, that will be intercepted by using this Golden Dome system. Trump said Golden Dome has more expansive goals, with Trump saying it will deploy next generation technologies across the land, sea, and space, including space based sensors and interceptors. They are not only at the ground or at the ships, the sensors are present. At the space itself, the sensors are placed, and those will be uh, sensing the all the any threats, incoming threats are there, and those will be communicated to destroy or intercept them through the some of the launchers, and that is the space-based sensors and interceptors also included in this one, not only from the ground, not only from the sea, and they are from the space also. The sensors are using, then from there also the interceptors are to be used. Pentagon chief Pete Hegseth, speaking alongside Trump, said the design for Golden Dome will integrate with existing ground-based defense capabilities and is aimed at protecting the homeland from cruise missiles, ballistic missiles, hypersonic missiles, drones, whether they are conventional or nuclear. How much will it cost? The system will cost over 500 billion. The 500 billion is a huge cost which will required for this development of the Golden Dome missile defense system, according to estimates from the Congressional Budget Office. However, Trump has so far announced $25 billion in initial funding for planning. $25 billion are announced by the Trump, which he said could eventually cost a total of $175 billion. Okay, here that planning as well as the other cost may eventually the total it will become say $175 billion. When will it be completed? Trump said the system will be operational in about 3 years. Within the 3 years, by the end of his office, it will be get ready. He's told that by the end of his time in office. However, the Forbes reported, the some report analysis report reported that the cost of the project will be absorbed over 20 years. Over 20 years, the project cost will be there. It may take 20 years after also. Who will lead the project? Trump told US Space Force General Mitchell Gutelin will lead the effort. A four-star General Gutelin had a 30-year career in airspace Air Force before he joined the Space Force in 2021. He reportedly specializes in missile defense and space systems. Countries covered under the Golden Dome, the system is meant to protect the United States from all kinds of missiles or drone attacks. But Trump said that Canada has expressed interest in being part of it as they want to have protection also. Here, the US counterpart is consulted the Canada counterpart for formation of this Golden Dome missile defense system. They are expressed the interest to join with the US and the formation of this Golden Dome. If the Golden Dome is formed between the this US and Canada, no one will enter into their airspace without any permission. Idea behind the Golden Dome. The US Golden Dome name stems from Israel's Iron Dome. The Israel's Iron Dome is one of the air defense system which is in operation and which will successfully be intercepting all the incoming threats. Its the efficiency was 75 to 80, 95%, but its efficiency earlier recently reported it was decreased to 65%. That has intercepted thousands of short range rockets and other projectiles since it went into operation in 2011. The United States faces various missile threats from adversaries, but they differ significantly from short range weapons that Israel's Iron Dome is designed to counter. Israel's Iron Dome is designed to counter the short range weapons because of the whatever the incoming threats are there within the short range only falling. And but this Golden Dome whatever is there, it is range should be variable to counter the all types of the incoming threats. The 2022 Missile Defense Review In the 2022 Missile Defense Review pointed to growing threats from Russia and China. From Russia and China, there is a threat to the US, and that whatever the review they have received, and based on that, they are having the plan to develop this Golden Dome. Who opposes the plan? The same countries are opposing Russia and China. Earlier this month, slammed the Golden Dome concept as deeply destabilizing, saying it risked the turning space into a battlefield. As the in the space itself, all the sensors and the launchers they are going to uh, use, and that's why the space may be turned into a battlefield, and that is the few, and because of that they are going to oppose this plan. This is about the Golden Dome US missile defense system, which is the upcoming the missile defense system which can protect the US from all incoming threats from the space. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe, and comment.